Hello, let's advance yourself in the gno.land documentations by going to a specific interactive smart contract demonstration through realm/doc. As you may know, the documentation is very complete, but there is no really interactive tutorials. We can find examples by going, let's say, to r/demo/boards. We have, as we see here, a first example of a realm. We can easily check the source code and try it ourselves to figure out how it's working. Let's discover realm/docs, figure out multiple examples directly on the chain that you can interact with. We'll go through some together. The hello package simply display a render. Let's go through the adder. It has a current number, and by clicking increase number, we can call a function to add a number to the total. That can be possible by executing these actions. And there's many other examples. One very interesting is the markdowns that display every possible stuff in markdowns directly in gno.land. You have the block codes, you have the code, and even some interesting form where you can directly submit some information to send to a specific realm. You have many different nodes, as you can see here. You can have images, example of a pager where you can adventure in. Basically, many examples you can use in your own decentralized application that's useful every day. All of this code is available in r/docs. And if you want to add any example, you just have to do a pull request with your own code. You add one of the directories and you add the link to the home realm. As well, on the side note, you have awesome GNO referring a lot of community and official resources that you can use in your developer journey. You have example application made by the gno.land team, community application, some tools, tutorials, and so on. As well, don't hesitate to contribute to the repositories if you made any application. It's beneficial to everyone. Thank you for listening and see you next time.